In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import invoices from Google Sheets into Zoho Books. This process will make managing your business finances much simpler and more efficient. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. If you haven't visited it before, you can easily find it by searching Zoho Books on your preferred search engine. Once you have the website loaded, the next step you'll need to do is look for the Sign In button. This option is generally located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and this will take you to the login page where you need to enter your Zoho account credentials. It's important that you have your account details ready, so if you haven't yet created an account, be sure to do so before continuing. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the main page or the Zoho Books home. Here, you'll want to locate the Sales tab on the navigation menu. Click on this tab and it will take you to the Sales section where you can manage all your related transactions. Now, in the Sales dashboard, look for the three-dot icon, usually found somewhere around the Invoices section. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Import Invoices. This is where the magic happens. Next, you will be guided to a new page where you will see an option that says Invoices Select File. Click on this option to begin uploading your file from Google Sheets. This step assumes you have your invoice data prepared and saved in a compatible format in Google Sheets. Typically, CSV format works best for importing data into Zoho Books, so make sure your spreadsheet is ready to go. Once you click on Select File, a file dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Navigate to where your Google Sheets export is saved, select the file and then upload it. Now, you'll need to follow any additional instructions properly given by Zoho Books for confirming the data import. This may include setting how your data aligns with Zoho's fields to ensure maximum compatibility and correctness. Take your time to review the mapping of fields correctly. And just like that, your invoices from Google Sheets will now be successfully imported into Zoho Books. This integration not only saves time but also minimizes errors by automating the process, allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than data entry. That wraps up our tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to integrate Google Sheets with Zoho Books like a pro. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.